totally screwed up because of that hailstorm last week, man. Had like over $4,000 worth of damage, and it looks brand new. These guys do amazing work. They turned it around in like 2-3 days. So they are fast, they're efficient. The customer service is on a level like I've never seen, and they ate my deductible. I mean, it's the best thing you can do here. So if you're in town and you need some work done for your hail repairs, check out HAILSTARZ on Wade Hampton Boulevard.
You only